Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm once again Obedgil John Jonathan. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment to as many people as possible. Today I'll be presenting you through Excel as we have been looking in the previous videos. So without more waste, I want to teach you very different types. We shall open our workbook, which is results, which we saved as results. So as earlier on I showed you that this is our workbook. So today we shall be mainly looking at how to make grades, how to generate the total, how to generate the average, how to comment, and how to position. Dear viewers, please, I would like you to pay attention to your screen as we'll be going through this. So the first thing we shall do is to first of all find the total of all the subjects which each individual got. So as we all know very well, total is got by, we start in any calculation we make, we have to ensure that we have to start with an equal sign. Then we go to the function which is sum. Yes, then we shall open brackets. Then we shall start writing in our information that we require. So we shall use the coordinates, which is C, C1. Then we shall write 2, E2, E1, yeah, which is E1. Then I shall write shift that. Then again we shall go to, no, it's supposed to be E2, yeah, E2, supposed to be E2, not E1, sorry for that. E2, because these things help us to know the cells we are in, and it really helps us a lot to understand and identify what we really need in the process. Yes, so E2, then again write shift to E2, then we shall go to G2 plus G2, yes, shift 2, then we shall say with I2, then we shall shift, then press enter. So it has brought us 344, which is the total. This total, if you are to add here using a calculator, this plus this plus this plus this, you get 344. So now for people who really feel it's difficult for them to, you just bring your cursor to this left right hand corner where you see my cursor is, you left click, then you scroll down up to where you want it to be, then you leave it. It will bring for you all the totals you want, and it will bring for you. That is that with the total. We shall go to average. Average, what you know by average? Average is the value that is found in every number. It's the value that is found everywhere. Average is like the total. Should I say it's the mean? Otherwise we can use mean. Yeah, so average is got by, we have to start with our equal sign. We can say average, open your brackets. When you open your brackets, we shall find the average of what we want, which is C2, no please, want this is C2, up to I2. Then we shall close our brackets, then we press enter. The average therefore is 86. So if you go there, if some of you don't confirm, you can press your calculators, it will bring for you the answer to confirm. Yes, but some people can say, you know what, we don't want to go through all that stress by using the cursor. Some people can say, maybe let's just go to the normal way, whereby is equals to, you have to start by equal sign, open brackets. You can maybe say this, which is C2, those are our coordinates we shall be always using. Then you come up to here, yeah, you close the brackets, then you divided by, no, this is not divided by, we get the total number of subjects we have, which is, we shall count on the screen, which is SST 1, English 2, Science 3, Math 4, which is over 4. Then we shall enter. Oh, it has offered us a wrong value. This thing has showed us many, which sometimes cannot be good. So errors sometimes come due to mathematical functionality. So we have to repeat again. Okay. So we shall repeat afresh, and we shall say is equals to average open brackets, wait, average, yes, oh, so shall come here, average, open our brackets, open our brackets, the number, which is our SST here, so we shall go up to mathematics, then we shall, no, then we shall cross our brackets, then we shall press enter. However, it has brought for us 86. So that to be the average we have for all the subjects that as each student scored. So to find more, we have to use the simplest ways possible. We shouldn't use the manual ways. So since you have the formula up here, you can come to your right hand corner, then you left click on that hand corner, then you scroll down up to where you want to bring for you the averages. Dear members, if we are to go more far, I want us to all be on the same page. Yes. Okay. Now what we shall do, after us finding the total and average, we shall come and comment. Yes, we shall come and comment. Commenting, this one involves us to use the if function. So as usual, we have to start with the equal sign. We shall write if open brackets, let's remove the cursor from there, open brackets, we shall say, so this case therefore we shall use the word average. No, let us use the word the total. This total will help us to get people. For example, let's assume this is a promotional exam. So I want to promote people using my comments. So we shall say if, we shall use the total to find our comment. If, let's assume K2, which is this K2, yes, if K2 is greater or is equals to 200, let's assume the average mark is 200, yes, it's 200, we shall write comma, our hyphens, then we shall say promoted to, let's assume this was results of P6, P6. Our result shall be promoted to P7. Then we shall close our again, then we shall write comma, but less than that, of course, you have to repeat, because you have not done anything in that previous class, so we shall say repeat, spelling over repeat, P6. So unfortunate, P6. shift that, then we shall close our brackets. Close our brackets, then we shall enter. Promoted to P7. Before we continue, let's first increase our, okay, let's first, okay. So we shall do the same for here. For purposes of not wasting time, we shall just highlight, it brings down. That means we found out that everyone in the class was promoted apart from Precious, who repeated P6 with a very low average and a very low total, which was below 200, 200, yeah, 200 total. Because this is supposed to be marked out of 500, 400, but since she didn't meet the average position, she has to repeat P6. So that's how they get the comment. Remember, comment here, you come here, this K2 shows you that this K2 is the what? This K2 is the cell or it's the grid where you shall find the total which you have to start with. If it's greater or equals to 200, that means if it, as long as it's above or equals to 200, that person has to be promoted to P7. Below 200, that person has to repeat P6. I hope we're all together. Yes. So if we are to rank, if we are to position, want to position the kids in this class, so remember this position, we have to use the function rank. So we all know very well that before we start, we have to write an equal sign. We shall write our rank. Yes, rank is our function, which is a f function, rank. So to rank these people, we would like to use, if I put my brackets, to rank these people, we would like to use, I would like to use the what? The total. We can decide to use total or average, but it's now my choice to use either average or total, but it's better for us to use total. So we shall come here, rank, rank, K2, which is K2, yes, K2, let's all be attentive, K2, that you don't have to forget the dollar sign. Dollar sign is so important in these rank issues. So write the dollar sign, because these dollar signs act as our grids, our boundaries, so that it can show the computer what not to do and where not to go. Yes, so we shall say dollar sign K, again another dollar sign 2, yes, dollar sign 2, then we shall say where it shall end 2, again put another dollar sign. Don't forget to put dollar sign. These dollar signs help us a lot. Yes, then 2, where shall we stop? 2, to K7. So we shall say K, again another dollar sign, shift, right, dollar sign K, again up to K7, up to K7, yes, so shall say to K7, let's cover that up, then we shall close our brackets, then we shall press enter. Yes, so it has brought for us the position which shows this Obedias as number 1. Let's see who is number 2, number 3, number 4, and etc. So as I told you, we press in our right hand corner of the cursor. Yes, and let's turn our cursor. It has brought for us the answer, which is Obedias as number 1, number 2 as Miriam, number 3 as Psychacitis, number 4 as Katende, number 5 as Sigabos, and number 6 as Precious. So that's how we position these people. Now, the most difficult part in this spreadsheet, it's mainly to grade. Grading someone, it takes a lot of time, but I will show you one and the rest it will be as an assignment. So, if we want to grade, remember all that this is an if function. Remember all that this is an if function. Wait, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Shall come back here. Okay. So if we want to grade, grading is an if function. So we shall start by pressing is equals to if, yes, if, yes, if, open brackets, it will really take long, if, open brackets, if we shall use this f2, if f2, yes, if f2 is greater or is equals to, let's say 90, equals to 90, comma, don't have to forget a comma, hyphen, then it's automatically a D1. D1. Wait. D1. D1. Shall close our hyphen. Comma. Then we shall continue doing it for the rest like that, until we finish up to F9. So let's continue as we look into the screen. So we shall write if, open another bracket, if F2, remember we're using the F2 column, if F2 is greater or is equals to 80, comma, is supposed to be D2, we close the hyphen, comma, if, this is an if function, you should not forget to start with if F2 is greater or is equals to 70, then if it's 70, comma, then automatically it shall be, shall put our hyphen, yes, shall put our hyphen, then we shall say if that and that is that, then we shall say it's going to be credit 3, we shall close our hyphen, comma, if, open brackets, don't forget to write if, because this is an if function, so it is helping us to open up. So if f2 is greater or is equals to 60, we're now in 60, comma, then give it a credit 4, comma, if, open brackets, if f2 is greater or is equals to 50, comma, hyphen, then it's supposed to be credit 5, which is C5, because hyphen, comma, if this it's f2 is greater or is equals to 40, comma, hyphen, then supposed to be credit 6. I hope you can see how these marks good they are. 6. The grading is so conducive. The if, we should not forget that if function, if f2 is greater or is equals to 30, if f2 is equals to 30, our comma, the hyphen, then supposed to be pass 7, we close our hyphen, comma, if f2, now we open our bracket, if f2 is greater or is equals to 40, no, this is now 20, comma, hyphen, then it's gonna be pass 8. I hope you're all seeing the screen. Pass 8. Members, don't forget to subscribe, like and share also as we are going through. if open brackets, if f2 is greater or is equals to 10, that's where I was stop, 10 comma hyphen, then it's supposed to be f9, no compromise, f9. F9, yes, then we shall put our brackets until you see it ending with a black bracket. I hope you can see these brackets are different, but this has ended up with black. Since the beginning also is black, just end with black, then we shall say and try moving all changes. But let's first figure that there are one or more such references with formal reference and don't sell directly, cause them to cascade in quality. Try to remove or change these reference or move in the formulas to different cells. Let us first try to edit, since we could have made a mistake somewhere. It's so important for us to edit. Yes, editing. Here there's no problem. Here there's no problem. Are we in the right? F2. Yes. No. It's supposed to be E2E. Okay. E2. Let's say we're writing this F. But supposed to be E2 is in the wrong reference. Supposed to be E. Where you see F, replace with E. E. Where you see F, replace with E. Where you see F, replace with E. Don't forget where it's press F, replace with E, so that it can bring us the correct thing we need. E. So come here. It's supposed to be E. So come here. It's supposed to be E. So come there. It's supposed to be E. So I hope you can see this is E. Then again we try enter. So I hope you have seen. So these things, if you continue doing it with time, you become perfect with time as time goes on, and it won't be a disturbance. So you will write as we have been doing the previous thing, so that not make our work bulky. Then there are the grades. So the rest of the grades, if you have understood, you can continue doing it. So the last thing we shall do is that I want us to make a graph out of this. So the first very important thing in this graph is that you have first start by highlighting the names. But if you want the names, but you don't want these things to, because the computer of course will be reading different. You might be thinking that you don't want what you have highlighted and you want something else. So we shall go and we shall use the average to make the what? A pie chart. So we shall press Ctrl. Shall come here. We shall also highlight. Okay. We shall also highlight. Then we shall come to insert. Then we shall go to graph. So we shall maybe use a donut, or we shall use a pie chart. Anything will be better. Let's use graph. So okay, we are choosing a suitable, so let's use a pie chart. Use a pie chart and draw it there. So wait. Let's repeat again. So we shall come, we shall highlight, press Ctrl. We shall choose any we want. Let's use our average. Okay. So we shall come and highlight from there. We come and press Ctrl. We come there. And just repeat. Highlight. And press Ctrl. We're going to choose average. Make a pie chart. So we shall come, insert, because these pie charts are found in insert. Come, a pie chart. Yes, donut pie chart. Make a donut pie chart. So from here we shall highlight the names. Sorry for that. We shall highlight the names. Then we shall highlight the total we want. We shall press Ctrl, because if you don't press Ctrl, the computer might be misdirected and you might press something else. So after that, you come to insert. We have remember we want to put these things into a graph. That then we shall use. Let's use this, the donut pie chart. So to make it be very well, shall drag it somewhere down there. Then that's how our pie chart will be looking at. So viewers, with all that I've illustrated and demonstrated, I'm so well acquainted that you have at least picked up something in today's video. Please first wait. I hope you're all well acquainted with all that we have done. I'm so happy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to as many people as possible. Till we meet again, be blessed. Thank you so much. Till we meet again. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.